Hello, dear children. Hope you all are studying very well, not annoying your parents, right? So, class prep is studying you all, preparing for your half yearly examinations. Yes or no? Just prepare it, okay? Now, your next exams also very near. So, along with playing games, watching TV, you must study. Give maximum time you study. Alright? Here you can see that subject English we will study today. Open your book page number 45. Okay? There you see that sound of double L. We will study the sound of double L like that, huh? Picture of that words with double L. You will see first row with letter A, vowel A, second vowel E, third vowel I, third vowel U, fourth vowel U. Okay? First, second, third, fourth. There are four rows are there. First row with vowel A, second row with vowel E, third row with vowel I, fourth row with vowel U. Words with sound of double L and using the vowels also there, A, E, I, O, U. Okay? Now you can see that first word with sound A and with vowel A. So it will come all. B-A-double-L, all, ball. T-A-double-L, tall. F-A-double-L, fall. When we use with that double L vowel A, and what sound came? All. Alright? When we use double A with vowel A, what sound came? All. Now, vowel E. B-E-double-L, bell. T-E-double-L, tell. W-E-double-L, well. We get water from well, the interior areas. Bell is what? We use just do the prayer and the Christmas bell, right? That time also tell. Telling something. When you tell your mama, please give me water, I'm telling the story. And mama also tells the story. That one is a telling, okay? Here, with vowel E, when we use double L, sound will L. When with vowel A we use double L, sound with all. When we use with vowel I, next word, seventh word, fill, F-I-double-L, fill. Then also it's L, F-I-double-L, fill. This one is that here you can see the tap is there, filling that with the bucket with the water. And P-U-double-L is what? Pull. You just, when you go somewhere, you just pull the door. Somewhere is written that pull and push. The pull means just pulling like that. It's string pulling. It's like that, okay? So when we use with I and vowel E double L, the sound will be L. When we use with vowel A double L, sound will be all, ball, tall, fall, call, like that, huh? And when we use double L with U, pull, ul, the sound will come ul, full, pull, bull. You can see here easily in this picture. Page number 45 open, just open you all and speak with me. Rhyming sound, these new words with sound A used with vowel A, that time double L will be all. With vowel E double L sound will come that L. When we that use with vowel I, it will be ill. When we use with vowel U, it will be ul, right? The sound of double L. B-A-double-L, ball. C-A-double-L, call. T-A-double-L, tall. F-A-double-L, fall. That flower is falling. The leaves are falling, right? B-double-L, bell. C-E-double-L, cell. W-E-double-L, well, we get water from interior areas. And T-E-double-L, tell. What is cell? Most of that your toys, you use cell just to run your toy very fast. We use cell. So that one is cell. In some objects we use that cell that after the object moves, right, and works. Like in your remote, TV remote also you use that cell, right? Now here you can see words with vowel I and sound of double L. F-I-double-L, fill, this boy is filling the water, fill. B-I-double-L, bill, we get the bills of the items we purchase, the food we eat, just of many things like बिजली बिल. You say ना हिंदी में बिजली बिल क्या बोलते हैं और इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं? इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल. So H-I-double-L, hill, hills, we go to that hill stations when that is very hot in the plains, we go to the hills, there is very cool, snow falls there, we go to visit these places, hill stations. M-I-double-L, mill, mill, there work is the things are made for us in very large amount, that is called that mill. Now here just mill of, you can say sugar mill, oil mill. So that one is the mill, M-I-double-L, mill. Now words with sound double L, vowel U. Here do just see that this that pot is full of water. So F-U-double-L, full. This one is who? Which animal? Bull. B-U-double-L, bull. And this boy is what? Pulling that thing, pulling the string. P-U-double-L, pull. Got the sound? Sound of double L with vowel A, it will be all. Sound of double L with vowel E, it will be L. Sound of double L with vowel I, it will be ill. Sound of double L with vowel U, it will be ul. Right? So keep in mind and practice it many times. Here you can see again, just to make reading very easy. Again there, with vowel A, it is what? All you will say. Ball, fall, gall, hall, mall, wall. With vowel E, gel, J से J double, gel, del, fell, hell, sell, tell. With vowel I, ill होगा, ill. Gill, kill, mill, nil, pill, till. With vowel O is there. O. D-O-double-L, doll, doll, ball, roll. ठीक है? Doll, ball, roll, doll. ठीक है? Got it? Now next see you will pull, dull, gull, hull. Alright? So these words you will read and study well. And here you can see that reading and writing of these pictures based on in a sentence. First we start with words with after that in sentence. This is what? A mobile phone, what comes? Call, and this is what? Bell. A call, bell. This is what? A call bell. You can make a new word, a call bell. Now this is what? Bell. A bell, a doll. A bell and a doll. Here is what? We took the sound of call and the bell. It is what called? Call bell. Call bell. We just put the call bell at our home's door. People just come and sting. Then your mama opens the door. That one call bell. Sometimes we are sitting in the office and just put that bell is there and we just press that outside that anybody who is security sitting that come to the into that room. Yes ma'am, what happened? So that is the call bell. To call somebody, we do not move from one place to another. We just bell and then person comes. Okay. Now a hill, a well near a hill. What is that? A well near a hill. Hill. That well is very near to hill now. A bull. This is bull. A well. A bull near a well. Now, a doll, a ball, a doll and a ball. A wall, a hall, a wall in a hall. Where is wall? Wall is in a hall. Wall. Where is that wall? Wall in our rooms also. But just to make that rhyming sound, wall in a hall. It's called, right? Okay. Here you can see that. Look at that first. Look, read and do. Do what? Fall. Just fall. Fall. Just fall like that. Fell. Now fill. That water fill. This water bottle is filled. Okay. Now this pull. Pull that. Pull a string. Pull the door. Like that. Pull the string. Pull like. Okay. Here we are having some rhyming sound, that rhyme also there based on double L. Here you see the picture. Dell fell into a well. Where is Dell? Dell fell into a well. Then found a bell to sell. And that girl found a bell to sell. Bill went to a hill. Bill went to a hill. Got ill, not well. Got ill, had a pill, and then had a pill. When we get ill, we take a pill. Yes. The bull will pull. The bull will pull the cart full. The bulls we use to pull the cart. This is the cart where people keep the things, and the bull they carry things. They pull the cart. Now, and take the bill to the mill. That bill of the items, you take that to the mill. Okay? There. This way you can just read this rhyming words in this rhyme, and then after can understand the sound of double L. Okay? Here you can see that based exercise we will do. Match the picture with their beginning letters. You can see here B with ball. Now D with doll. W with well. H with what? Hill. We have matched like that. Then after make new word with B, okay, C, E using double L. Okay, here we will make new words. Here you can see that C, E double L cell. So B, A double L. Yeah, we can see that A, B, A double L ball. Okay, A, E. Words with A, words with E. Now, B, and you fill here A. And double L is common there. B, A. Double L is common. What? Ball. Next, C. Capital A you write. C, E. And that matching C, E double L, cell. Here we will make new words with double A and double E. We will make new word with double L using A and E. Alright? A is common here. Just see that E is common here. Right now, you just fill F A double L fall, T A B-E-double-L, bell. Alright, here you see that T-E-double-L is what? Tell. This way you have to complete this series. Okay, I'll give you the worksheet, you can do easily there. Now take the correct spelling form. Look at the picture and take the correct spelling. This is what? C-E-double-L cell or S-E-double-L cell? So, exercise C देखेंगे, tick. Which spelling? C-E-double-L cell. You tick there. And S-E-double-L is cross. Got it? The same picture, C exercise. W-E-double-L is what? Well. You just tick there. And V-E-double-L, well, it's wrong. You just tick over there. Alright? Now exercise C, tick there. Just next. Ball, spelling of and call. It's the B-O-double-L ball. No, it's wrong. What's the spelling of ball? Studying from many days. It's a B-A-double-L. Yes, speak with me. B-A-double-L is what? Ball. Tick there. Next you see this boy is calling. So C-A-double-L or K-A-double-L? C-A-double-L call is that correct one. And K-A-double-L call is that wrong one. Alright? So study like that. Now this was that exercise of page number 48. Now see that page number 49. Now make 3 words which rhyme with the word given in that. So B-A-double-L ball and B-I-double-L bill is there. First column 3 new words B-A-double-L, same sound, and second column B-I-double-L 3 more words with the same sound. Now just do here exercise D, block 1. T-A-double-L tall, C-A-double-L call, F-A-double-L fall. Now here you see that the I-double-L, B-I-double-L bill, F-I-double-L fill, T-I-double-L till, and P-I-double-L pill. Right? This is that D exercise. I'll give you the worksheet also. You can just do from there also. Now matching with the capital to small, that's very easy. Do it yourself. B-A-double-L capital, B-A-double-L small. B-U-double-L bull, B-U-double-L bull. This side capital, this side small. Okay? Then P-I-double-L pill, W-E-double-L well, D-O-double-L doll. This way the exercise is done. Alright? Here, that page number 50 open, you can see that trace that words with vowel A-E-I-O-U and sound double L. Okay? B-A-double-L ball, B-double-L bell, F-I-double-L fill, B-U-double-L bull, T-A-double-L tall, S-E-double-L cell, H-I-double-L hill, F-U-double-L full. Got it? So this way using that sound of double L with vowels. Now here just dialogues. We must, if you are learning that subject and English, you must speak also in English. Just try to speak with me and look at the picture, read there. This is a boy and a girl. The boy's name Jim, girl's name Rennie, and this is a what? Doll, and the boy is having bell. Now just read out. Talk with your friend. How will you talk? Jim, do you have a ball? Rennie saying. Jim said, do you have a ball? And Rennie replied, no, I have a doll. Then after Jim said, Will you give me your doll? Rini replied. Rini answered what? Are you ill? Have some pill. Why is that Rini said? Are you ill? Just because mostly with doll. Who plays with doll? Who plays with doll? Girls. Girls play with doll. So Rini said, are you ill? Are you not well? You just need pill. Take pill and get well. Play with ball, right? Not with my doll. Girls play with doll. Okay? So this is the way. Now look at that here. Write the beginning letters of these picture and that pictures to name a plaything. What? This is what? Fan. First you write first letter of fan, F. Then owl, O. The next fan, owl. Next word bird is what? Ostrich. Table. First is what? Fan. Second is what? Owl. Third word is ostrich. Fourth one is table. Then B. Next one is boy. B for boy. Next X. A for X. Then L for lion. L and L for lamb. Which new game came out? When you written the first letter of these pictures, which game name came out? F double O T foot, B A double L ball, football. Football, you love playing football? Football, you love playing? Yes or no? Most of you love playing football, right? So, what? Enjoy well and study well. This way you can just learn with the sound, with vowel, okay, that using of vowel and that sound of double L. It will be very easier. When we use double L with A, it will become all. When we use double L with E, it will become L. When we use double L with I, it will become L. When we use double L with U, it will become ul. When we use double L with O, it will become O. Right? So this is the easy way, and read out. I'll give you the worksheet. Do in your notebook very nicely, very easy. Thank you, class. Study well.